Hello children, this is 5th standard maths, chapter name is large numbers. Now exercise 1.5, let's check our last week homework sums children. In that C1, C main, round the number to nearest 1000. With the help of rounding number poem, we can round the number very easily. Now C main, fourth question, 1500 and fifth question 1495. We have to round off in thousands place. And D main, nearest 10,000 place we have to round off 79,432 and 85,000. So these two questions are four questions are homework sums. Now let's check our answer children. C main, round the number to the nearest thousands. In that fourth question 1500. So 1500 rounded to nearest thousand C's. Which place we have to round off? Thousands, nearest thousands place. So first step is we have to check the place. So this is ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Mark in, and so 1 in thousands place. Now next step is knock the door and ask, do you have 5 rupees or more than 5? So here exact 5 rupees is there. So here one is added. So exact 5 rupees. Knock the door and ask, do you have 5 rupees or more than 5? Here exact 5 means 1 is added here. So 1 means 1 plus 1 is 2. Then once door knock means these people become poor. So in the place of 5 we have to write 0, and 0 is 0 only, and 0 is 0. Now next fifth homework sum. Round the numbers to the nearest thousands place, C main. Okay. Now so here first step is we have to check the place value ones, tens, hundred, thousand. 1 in thousands place, and 1495 rounded to nearest thousand is 1 in thousands place. So what is the next step? Knock next door and ask, do you have 5 rupees or more than 5? So here 4 means less than 5. So 4 can't help 1. So 1 remain the same as it is. 1 as it is, no help from his friend. And 4, once door knock means the next digit, next numbers will become 0. So 4 is now 0, 9 is now 0, and 5 is now 0. Now D main, round the number to the nearest 10,000 homework sum. Let's check the answers. So fourth one 79,432 and 85,000. So here we have to round off nearest to 10,000's place. We have to round off nearest to 10,000's place. D main, round the number to the nearest 10,000's. And that fourth question homework sum, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. So 7 in 10,000's place. Now 79,432 rounded to nearest 10,000 is. So rounded 10,000's place we have to round off, circle it, and knock the door next door and ask, do you have 5 rupees or more than 5? So here 9, rich person. So he can help. 9 means 1 is added here. So 7 become 8 now. 7 become 8, and once door knock means these people become poor. So 9 is now 0, 4 is now 0, 3 is 0, and 2 is 0. So in the place of 9, 7 means 1 added here. So in the place of 7 we have to write 8, and here once door knock means these people become 0. 9 is 0, 4 is 0, 3 is 0, and 2 is 0. Now fifth question, 85,000, 10,000's place we have to round off. So first step is we have to check the place, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 8 in 10,000's place. Now next step is knock next door and ask, do you have 5 rupees or more than 5? So here exact 5 rupees he can help 8, best friend. Now 8 will become now 9. Okay, 8 will become now, and once door knock means these people become poor. So in the place of 5 we have to write 0, here 0, 0, 0. 85,000 rounded to nearest 10,000 is 90,000. 1 is added here because 5. So 9, and once door knock means these people become 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now exercise 1.5 in that G main, 56 first question, 56,798 people saw a cricket match between India and Australia. Round the number to the nearest 10,000 for a newspaper headlines. So here 56,798 people saw a cricket match between India and Australia team. Round the number to the nearest 10,000 place. Now we have to round the number nearest 10,000 place for a newspaper headlines. In newspaper or news, we give estimate or a round figure, not exact number, sometimes exact number, sometimes a round or estimated number. Now we have to round up the number 56,798 we have to round off nearest to 10,000's place. So here 56,798 rounded to which place? 10,000. 10,000 rounded to nearest 10,000's place is how much? 56,798 rounded to nearest 10,000's place. So 10,000 means what is the first step? First we have to check the place value. Yes, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Who is in 10,000's place? 5 in 10,000's place. So first step is completed. Next is we have to knock the door, next door, and ask, do we have 5 rupees or more than 5? So here 6 can help 5. So 5 1 added here. So 5 plus 1 means 6 because his friend 6 is help 5. So 5 plus 1 is 6. Now once door knock means these people will become poor. Now here in the place of 6 we have to write 0. In the place of 7 we have to write 0. In the place of 9 we have to write 0. And in the place of 8 we have to write 0. Now 6 is now 0. 7 is now 0. 9 is now 0. 8 is now 0. So 56,798 rounded to nearest 10,000 is 60,000. Now G means second question. The price of an apartment is 45,32,568. Round the price to the nearest 10 lakh. The price of an apartment is 45,32,568. Round the price to nearest 10 lakh. Now we have to round the number. Price of apartment. We have to round to nearest 10 lakhs place. So here we have to write 45,32,568 rounded to nearest 10 lakhs place. Okay, 45,32,568 rounded to nearest 10 lakhs is means here 10 lakhs place we have to round off means first step is ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. Who is in 10 lakh? 4 in 10 lakhs place. Okay, first step you have to check the place value ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So 4 in 10 lakhs place means here 45,32,568 is given. Now we have to round off to 10 lakhs place. For example, if someone asks what is the cost of an apartment, we say around 45 lakh 32 for exact number or 45 lakh 32,560 or some estimated or round figure means after painting or after some work, maintenance work, and the rounded figure. Always we say the rounded figure. Now we check the rounded figure now. Now once first step is we have to round the number and next step is knock next door and ask, do you have 5 rupees or more than 5? So here exact 5. So 5 here if I can help here. So 1 is added here. 1 is added means 4 become now 5 and 5. Next number is 5. So 5 means 1 added here. Okay, 5 can help 4. So 1 added to 4 means 5. And once door knock mean these people become poor. So 5 is now 0, 3 is 0, 2 is now 0. So in the place of 5 we have to write 0. In the place of 3 we have to write 0. In the place of 2 we have to write 0. And in the place of 5, 6, 8 also 0, 0. So answer is 50 lakh. Answer is 50 lakh. 5 1 is added here 5 and once door knock mean these people become poor. So 5 is now 0, 3 is now 0, 2 is now 0, 5 again 0, 6 is now 0, 8 is 0. Once door knock mean that number will become after number become 0. So here if anyone asks what is the cost of an apartment means what we say the estimated number or round figure 45 lakh. Actual cost is 45 lakh 32,568. But after registration or something, we say around 50 lakh. Page number 7. Round the nearest lakhs. This is, try this question. Round to the nearest lakh means ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 lakh. Okay. Lakhs place is rounded here. Now we have to round the number. Digit in 10,000 place is 5. So changes 2 to Next number, knock next door. So next door is 5 and ask, do you have 5 rupees or more than 5? So here 5 rupees. So 5 rupees can help 2. So 2 become now 3, and once door knock means these numbers become 0. These people become 0. Now 5 is 0, 6 is 0, 2 is 0, 9 is 0, 3 is 0. Try this some children. 3 lakh, 2,56,293 is rounded to 3 lakhs in lakhs please.